Hey guys, so for this look, I'm going to begin by using the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. I'm going to put small dots on my face and then spread it out very evenly. Now what this does is makes my skin super smooth for the concealer and all the other products. Next up, I'm going to be using the concealer. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer today, and I'm going to be putting small dots under my eyes and also on any dark spots that I have. Now with clean hands, I'm going to go in and spread it out very evenly, and you don't have to drag the product, you just have to dab it or use a brush if you can. So to set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. This is in the shade Natural Beige, and using a very fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with very light hands. So for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Natural Buff. Now I do not have a beauty blender or brushes yet because they're still in transit, so I'm just going to be using the sponge which came along with the compact powder. It does the job till then. So the best part about this foundation is that it is very lightweight and you can build up the coverage very easily as much as you want. Again, I'm going in with the compact powder and with very light hands, I'm going to set everything. So for my eyebrows, I'm using the Loreal Brow Artist kit, and with this angled brush that I have here, I'm going to go in by first combing my eyebrows out very nicely using a spoolie. I'm going to be using the brow wax first, and then adding in the brow powder. Now what this does is helps the brow powder to stay for a very long time and gives a very natural finished look. I have been using this kit for a very long time. This is my third or fourth kit. After filling in your brows, don't forget to comb them out using a spoolie for a very natural finished look. So for my eyes today, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild palette. The name is Rosé in the Air, and I'm going to go in with this beige kind of shade first and add it to the outer crease line. I'm going to bring it towards the inner crease line very slowly, concentrating the color on the outer crease line. Oh yes, and I'm using a fluffy brush by PAC. I'm then going in with this pink colored shade here and using another eyeshadow brush. I'm going to pack it on the center of my eyelids. Once you're happy, just blend it out using a very fluffy brush again. I'm then using this bright orange here, and I'm going to pack it on the corners of my eyelids, and it will add a very beautiful transitional effect. I'm now going in with a fluffy brush again. I'm now using this metallic brown eyeshadow. It's a very beautiful color. I'm going to grab some of it on my ring finger and pack it on the center of my eyelids. I'm doing this because I wanted a little bit of festive touch to this eye look, because Diwali is around the corner. I'm now using this shimmery golden eyeshadow on my lower lid and also on the corners of my eye. This will help in brightening up my eyes. So it's finally time to do the winged liner, which I'm not very good at. I'm using this one from L'Oreal today again, and I'm quickly going to make winged liner and get back to you. I'm now going in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is one of my most favorites. I'm going to do 2 to 3 coats. Now please tell me you make a weird face too while putting mascara or kajal, because I do that all the time. So for kajal, I'm using something very basic. Now this one is Eyeconic Kajal from Lakme in the shade brown, and I'm just quickly going to apply it on my waterline. So for my blush, I'm using the Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo. Now this is Malibu Barbie, which has a combination of a coral and a peachy shade. I like to mix both these shades and apply it on the apple of my cheeks, and run the same brush on my nose and very lightly on my forehead and on my chin to give a nice healthy glow. Lastly, my favorite product, I'm using the Master Chrome Face Studio Highlighter by Maybelline, and I'm just going to put it on the high points of my face. I'm going to do it with my fingers today, so a little bit on my cheekbones and also a little bit on my nose. So for lipstick, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in the shade Vintage Pink. I really love this lip color because this is so soft and subtle and it almost goes with every look. Finishing it up with a small festive touch. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Do let me know if you want to see more of such videos. Till then, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.